rational fraction. If the denominator contains a factor x minus a power n, assume impartial fractions of the form a over x minus a plus b over x minus a squared plus c x minus a cubed until e x minus a power n. Example is 1. Evaluate the integral of x cubed minus 4 dx over x plus 1 cubed. So your solution equal to x cubed minus 4 over x plus 1 cubed equals to e over x plus b over x plus 1 plus c x plus 1 square plus d over x plus 1 cube, or you have that 1 x minus x cubed minus 4 equals to a times x plus 1 cube plus b x plus 1 square x, then you have plus c x plus 1 x plus dx, or simplifying x cubed minus 4 equals to a plus b x cubed plus 2a plus a plus 2b plus c x squared. Then you have plus x times 3e plus b plus c plus d, then you have plus a. Or equating coefficients. Equating coefficients. A plus b equals to 1. 3e plus 2b plus c equals to 0. 3e plus b plus c plus d equals to 0. So minus 4 equals to a, or a equals to minus 4. Minus 4 plus b equals to 1. So b equals to 5. Or you have that 3 minus 4 plus 2 times 5 plus c equals to 0. So c equal to 2. Then you have that 3 minus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus d equals to 0. So your d equals to 5. Then the integral of x cubed minus 4 over x plus 1 cube, 1 is dx, equals to the integral of minus 4 dx all over x plus 5 integral of dx over x plus 1, then plus 2 integral of dx over x plus 1 square plus 5 integral of dx over x plus 1 cube. Or simplifying further, that 1 was to minus 4 ln of x plus 5 ln of x plus 1 plus 2 integral of x plus 1 minus 2 dx, then plus 5 integral of x plus 1 minus 3 dx. Or simplifying further, you have minus 4 ln of x plus 5 ln of x plus 1 minus 2 over x plus 1, then minus 5 over 2 x plus 1 squared. Then you have plus c. Example, if the denominator is the form quadratic expression, assume the partial fraction a 2ax plus b, then plus b over ax squared plus bx plus c. Example is evaluate integral of x squared plus 4x plus 10 over x cubed plus 6x squared plus 18x. So what you do is this one. Rewrite it to 1 to integral of x squared plus 4x plus 10 dx over x times x squared plus 6x plus 18. So you have this one equals to a over x plus b times 2x plus 6 over x squared plus 16x plus 6x plus 18. Then you have that 1 plus c over I include that one here. So So this one could be written as equals to a over x plus b times 2x plus 6 over x squared plus 6x plus 18 plus c over x squared plus 6x plus 18. More you have that one x squared plus 4x plus 10 equals to a times x squared plus 6x plus 18 plus b times 2x plus 6 times x plus c times x. We have this one x squared plus 4x plus 10 equals to x squared times a plus 2b plus x times 6a plus 6b plus c. Then you have that one plus cx. We have x squared plus 4x plus 10 equals to x squared times a plus 2b plus x times 6a plus 6b plus c. Then plus 18a. Equating coefficients. Equating coefficients. 1 equals to a plus 2b. 4 equals 6a plus 6b plus c. 10 equals to 18a. Solving this equation, you have a equals to 5 over 9. B equals to 2 over 9. C equals to minus 2 over 3. So therefore your answers would be integral of 5 over 9 dx over x plus 2 over 9 integral of 2x plus 6, of course, times dx over x squared plus 6x plus 18 minus 2/3 integral of dx over x squared plus 6x plus 9, of course, plus 9. So equals to 5 over 9 ln of x plus 2 over 9 ln of x squared squared plus 6x plus 18 minus 2 over 9 arctangent x plus 3 all over 3 plus c